What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. Still at the Citadel. And I figured I'd look around, see what else they got. One place we are not stopping by, definitely not stopping by Adidas, because they're closed. They're closed. Hey, it just says 722. Isn't it way past 722? Yeah, it's the 26th. What the hell? Maybe they meant 722 to 822. It looks like they are doing a remodel. They're closed. Do have this Reebok Outlet, I guess. Yeah, let's see if they have anything, man. Let's see if they got any more Iverson's pumps, man. I want some pumps, man. I want some pumps for a discount. That's what I want. They got Cardi B. She's one of their big celebrity endorsers right now. I guess these are all the Cardi B things. Okay, all right. Going back to the workouts over here, like the aerobics and stuff. Okay. All right, let's go check out the rest. Of course, by the time they have them on sale, they don't have my size, of course. I don't know if I'd want this one though. It is green. I'm not the biggest fan of the green, to be honest. Yeah, 65 bucks, dude. $65. Only up to size 8.5 though. Whenever pumps go on sale, man, only the small sizes are left. Of course, they do have plenty of these. These are awful looking. These are awful. Oh yeah, the Instant Pump Furies. It's 50% off, I guess. And then stuff not on sale. Dude got the Answers right here. A couple different colorways, okay. And then dude got these on sale, 100 bucks. Little discount. I think we've seen this one. Similar prices to most of the retail shops right now. Then dude got the Solution Mids, going for $40. Oh, discount. Couple different colorways. They got plenty of sizes of these, don't they? So they got size 11s, only up to size 9 for those. And then these, they have like a 13, 11.5, just spotty sizes. Those don't look bad. I do have a Power Ranger set. That is hilarious. They got these. Man, these are what, 50% off? 50% off 145. I don't even recognize the Angel Grove. Is that like one of the bars or one of the chill areas? I don't know. But yeah, 155. I don't even know what size this is. I don't even know what size it is. Like size 9 or something. Okay. Question mids, 130 for these, 50% off, size 9.5. Got a bunch of these here. These are the classic leathers, the hair collab. Seen these on sale for what, 35? Was it 35 or $40? I think 40 at most of the retail shops at Foot Lockers and stuff. 38.50 here, or 37.50. 37.50. Size 8. Got these for $60. That's actually not bad. Got these classic leathers. How do these look? Oh, same thing. At least you get a full box right here. Okay. Size 10. Got the Club C Legacies. These are the what's that full name? The Keith Haring collab with the funky colors and the funky cartoons. These are going for 50 bucks after the discount. Club Legacies right here. These are going for 70. Then you get a discount. Oh, this type of stuff. That's it, man. That's it. Size 10.5. Size 13 right here. Okay. What is the Club C Legacies? They go for $80 plus a discount. Size 11, the Zig Dynamicas going for $80. Remember, this is before the discounts. Some Nano Vegans. What the hell? Size 12. When we're talking about like vegan sneakers and stuff, yeah, no, we're done. All right, let's look at a couple more things in the aisles. Workout Plus. This is definitely the cheapest we've seen it, but spotty sizing. They do have a 12, 14, and then a bunch of small sizes. Look at that price. Another one of those. Not too many sizes. All black. Yeah, not many sizes at all. Got like up to size 6.5 and then 14 and up. That's it. And dad shoes right here. Dad shoes. Don't even know what these are called. Okay, they do got some pumps here. The Pump Furies. This comes in a special box. What the hell? Can't even tell what the collab is though, unfortunately. Something in, what's that, Japanese? Yep. 100 bucks after the discount. These are what, $85 after the discount right there. Dude got some Club C Revenge. That's actually a really good price. Got a few sizes like 11s, 12s, 13s. Another one of those, but got more sizes available for this colorway. And a Looney Tunes collab? I've never even seen that before. Okay. And then they got this stuff, the Zig Tech or the Zig Wild trainers. And then yeah, it's just stuff like this. Zig Dynamicas, multiple colorways of this. Then stuff like this, the Float Ride Energy Daily. I don't know, are you guys even interested in this type of stuff? I've never really messed with their performance sneakers. It looks like the running sneakers. Solid price though, solid price, okay. Hoodies and stuff, really, really good deals. An extra 50% off. These Reebok Question ones go for $65, so what is that? $32.50. Got those blue ones in numerous sizes. Also got this white with the blue trim. This is a large. And then also got these Reebok t-shirts. Seen these ain't bad, dude. 25 bucks, 50 off of that. Got those in large, extra large. Okay. Got Iverson shorts right here. Colors, I'm just not a fan of that color. But 30 bucks, dude. 50% off. Was that 15 bucks? I only see this in small though. I don't. Oh wait, I just see it in medium. Okay, small and medium. That's it. Regular Feast hoodies go for 20 bucks. A few different colors. Graphic tees, 13. Not bad. Not bad. All right, let's go check out the next spot. Let's see if New Balance can do any better. Last time we came here, the selection kind of was mediocre, but I don't know. Let's check. I did come here about a week ago, or actually, wait, 2 or 3 weeks ago. No sales. It was usually buy one get 50% off, but no real sales. They're only sales in the clearance section, and then stuff in the aisles hasn't really changed either too. So, all right, let's look. Sales are pretty ridiculous in the back section right here. Look at these. The Omni ones go for $50. $50 for these bad boys. Kind of like a Georgetown colorway. Get an extra 30% off too. So $35 for these. This is size 10. Also got size 9. Got two ways right here. These are going for $70. This is a 10.5. Okay. 327. It's going for 80 bucks right here. That's a size 10.5. 574. It's going for 90. The midsole on these look different than the typical 574s. I don't know, like some skating ones or something. Got some hiking shoes or trail running shoes. Size 8.5. So 801s, I guess. I don't know what the hell these are. For 80. Dang, not much of a selection. 515s and got tons and tons of colorways of the 515. So an entire aisle of the 515s on the men's on the right side, left side, all the women's colors. Man. And some of the colorways not too bad. Like I can see myself rocking some of these colorways. And this is the women's, but look at that pricing though, man. $75? $65 for the cheaper ones? That's crazy. For the men's, pretty much same thing, 515s. Bunch of different colorways. Just that pricing, yo. I think I kind of like the 574s a little bit better too. 996s right here. Okay. Not too bad for those. Some skater shoes, some 300s. They look like skating shoes. Couple different colorways. Then the 574s, like y'all don't even have any promotions. What do you mean excluded from promo? There are no promotions. 574s. Couple different colorways of those. Some trail running shoes, $70 for those. They got some golf shoes. Kind of look like the Monarchs of the golf shoes. 237s. I kind of like that corduroy. It's not too bad. But $70, man. I don't know. I just think we could find these on sale. Speaking of Monarchs, here the New Balance Monarchs, aka 608s. Got a suede version right here too. All black one. Then do got the 1080s. They're Max Cushion sneakers. Or Max Cushion running shoes. Got a few of them not on sale though. These are the Gen 11s. Rarely ever see these on sale. You find like the last Gen on sale once in a while, but the premier running shoe. Alright, they don't really have that much apparel or anything, just like some running stuff. Alright, let's go check out the next one. Look at that beautiful sunset. I totally forgot, man. They have a resale shop here. I'm like, we're at the Outlet Mall and they have a resale shop here? What the hell? Alright, let's go check out this Under Armour. Other than the Asics, there's really not much else here. Sneaker wise, we already stopped by Nike. Alright, let's go check out this Under Armour, see what's up. Alright, this is one of the bigger outlets here. It's actually pretty nice. They have tons of apparel deals here. I don't really have much apparel because I don't really have any Under Armour sneakers. I don't really have any apparel, to be really honest. But yeah, I'll take a look at it for some of y'all. These are going for $45. Los Angeles, California Under Armour sweatshirt. It is super light though. That's an extra 40% off. It's way up there, but yeah, it says fleece tops. Yep. The windbreaker jackets, 40% off. Bunch of different colors. But I don't see the price. Oh, here's the price. $80. You get 40 off. Are these shorts for? Oh, I was like, are these shorts for dudes? Like, come on now, really? Women's shorts, $50. Yeah, no discount on this. Okay. Graphic tees, plenty. $15 a piece, 2 for $30. See the score of the week. This is what I'm talking about. We got like workout stretchy shorts, $13. $13, plenty of sizes. Tech fleece type of shirt, like the dry fit stuff, 50% off. Normal price $50, I guess 25 a piece. Project Rock stuff. Of course, this stuff is not on sale. Hoodies is going for $85, and they're not even that thick of hoodies. And they got these tank tops right here with the hoodie, $40 for those. What? Pretty decent price, almost buy one get one 50% off, so not too shabby. Like these ones with memory foam on it at $35. Not much arch support though, but they are pretty comfy. Just got the hard ones, go for $25 too. And then got the thongs. Some people like these thongs. I'm not a fan. $22 for these. Starting with the kids, as I'm just walking around, look at these, the budget Kyrie's right here, the SC. What is this? The SC04s go for $25 freaking. Holy cow. Multiple colorways go for so cheap. Wow. GGS Essentials. This is for girls apparently. Girls Lifestyle. $55, you get 30% off. And then stuff like, really? Like this? This is what girls like right now? What the hell? Okay. $55, $30 off. These as well. Dude got the Project Rock 3s. Going for $120. These are for the kids. I know this is like their premier workout shoe. Okay. Got some running shoes going for $50 right here. The Charge Pursuit 2s. You get 30% off on top of that. A couple different colorways. Okay. Women's shoes right here. Okay, these are the Project Rock BSRs, kind of the budget Project Rocks. What these go for? $140 for these. Okay. Multiple colorways. Premier running shoe, the Hover Phantom 2s. Kind of their flagship. $150 for those, no sale. Couple different colorways. Oh wait, a bunch of different colorways. $150 for all of them. I like the music at least. The music's pretty dope, but yeah, $150 for all these. All right, more of these Phantom or Hover Phantom 2s for men. $150 for all of them. Multiple colorways. I think it's the same colorway for men and for women, right? I believe so. These are the Infinite 3s. Like one of the better running shoes, $120. Project Rock 3s going for $140. Seems kind of reasonable for like their top of the line workout shoe. Multiple colorways. I've never tried these. That is the MSRP though. And the BSRs right here, like the budget ones, go for $100. Okay. Dude got the latest Currys and they're down to $80. That's actually a really good price, but what's up with the sizing? Only got bigger sizes. Oh no, they have a 10.5 up here. That's actually not bad. I think, what's his face? Wear Tester said these are one of the better hoop sneakers, so that's actually really dope. $80. What a bargain. And then the budget Steph Curry's right here, $35 freaking. Holy cow. And then of course, Under Armour, legendary for their boots, $110, 30% off. All right, I'm sure most of you guys know this. I don't really know that much about Under Armour, but yeah, that's pretty much about it. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Let's wrap it up.